What is superheat and how to calculate it? Hello everyone, welcome back to HVAC official channel. Have you ever heard HVAC technicians talking about superheat and wondered what it actually means? Superheat is one of the most important concepts in refrigeration and air conditioning. It helps technicians determine whether an HVAC system is operating correctly and whether the refrigerant charge is appropriate. In this video, you'll learn what superheat is, why it's important, how to calculate it, where it is measured, and some common mistakes technicians should avoid. Let's get started. What is superheat? Superheat is the amount by which the temperature of a refrigerant vapor rises above its saturation temperature after all of the liquid refrigerant has evaporated in the evaporator. In simple words, once the refrigerant has completely changed into a vapor inside the evaporator, any additional increase in its temperature is called superheat. Superheat ensures that only refrigerant vapor enters the compressor. This is important because compressors are designed to compress vapor, not liquid refrigerant. Why is superheat important? Superheat plays a major role in protecting the compressor and evaluating system performance. If the superheat is too low, some liquid refrigerant may return to the compressor. This condition, known as liquid floodback, can damage the compressor because liquid cannot be compressed. If the superheat is too high, it may indicate that the evaporator is not receiving enough refrigerant, which can reduce cooling capacity and system efficiency. Measuring superheat helps technicians diagnose refrigerant charge issues, airflow problems, and metering device performance. How is superheat calculated? The superheat value is calculated using the following formula. Superheat equals actual suction line temperature minus saturation temperature. For example, if the suction line temperature is 18 degrees Celsius and the saturation temperature corresponding to the suction pressure is 8 degrees Celsius, then superheat equals 18 degrees Celsius minus 8 degrees Celsius. This means the refrigerant has been superheated by 10 degrees Celsius after it completely evaporated. Where is superheat measured? Superheat is measured at the suction line near the outlet of the evaporator. A technician first connects a manifold gauge set to measure the suction pressure. Using the correct pressure temperature chart for the refrigerant being used, the technician finds the saturation temperature. Then a temperature clamp or digital thermometer is attached to the suction line to measure the actual pipe temperature. The difference between these two temperatures is the superheat. Superheat in fixed orifice systems. Superheat is especially important in systems that use a fixed orifice, such as a capillary tube or fixed piston. Because these systems do not automatically adjust refrigerant flow, technicians often use the superheat method to help evaluate refrigerant charge. The manufacturer's charging procedure and specifications should always be followed. What is a normal superheat range? There is no single superheat value that is correct for every air conditioning system. The normal superheat depends on factors such as the equipment design, indoor and outdoor operating conditions, refrigerant type, and the manufacturer's specifications. For this reason, technicians should always refer to the equipment manufacturer's service manual or charging chart, instead of relying on one fixed number. Common mistakes when measuring superheat. Many beginners make mistakes while checking superheat. One common mistake is using the wrong pressure temperature chart for the refrigerant. Another is measuring the pipe temperature at the wrong location, or failing to ensure good contact between the temperature sensor and the suction line. Some technicians also ignore airflow problems caused by dirty filters or evaporator coils. Airflow issues can affect superheat readings and lead to incorrect diagnoses. Finally, refrigerant should never be added or removed based only on one pressure reading. Superheat should always be evaluated together with other system checks and the manufacturer's charging procedure. Let's quickly review what we've learned. Superheat is the temperature increase of refrigerant vapor above its saturation temperature, after it has completely evaporated. It helps protect the compressor from liquid refrigerant, allows technicians to evaluate system performance, and is an important part of refrigerant charging and troubleshooting, especially in systems with a fixed orifice metering device. Understanding superheat is a fundamental HVAC skill that every technician should master. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HVAC official channel.